Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty. In this video we'll be seeing how to make a paper Christmas hat. So for this activity we only need 6 things. Those are some sellotape, a pair of scissors, a glue bottle, a white strip of paper, a white pom-pom and a square red piece of paper. So let's get started. So the first step is that we should take the square red piece of paper. So we should fold it to make a cone. So I'm spinning it. So after we're done, I'm taking some sellotape and I'm taping it. So the next step is that we have to take a pair of scissors and we have to cut the cone on the top and bottom part of the paper. So I'm cutting it on the bottom and now I'm cutting it on the top. So the next step is that we should take the white strip of paper and we have to glue it on the bottom piece of the paper, bottom part of the paper. So I'm taking some glue and I'm gluing it. So I'm gluing it now. So after we're done gluing, we have to take the scissors and we have to cut the remaining part. So we're done with it. The next step is that we should take a small white pom-pom and we have to stick it on the top of the Christmas hat. So I'm gluing it. So after I'm done gluing, I'm putting it on the top. So we have to give it some time to dry, and now our paper Christmas hat is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty. Bye!